Hi guys, I'm Mackenzie. I'm the food assistant here at Delish, and today we're gonna make a vanilla bundt cake together. First we add flour to our bowl, and then we're adding cornstarch. Next we have baking powder and salt go in. When testing this recipe, we found adding cornstarch helps lighten the cake the best. In a separate bowl, mix your wet ingredients. We're gonna combine our butter and sugar together until they're light and fluffy. Add your eggs. Now add your vanilla and your almond extracts. Add a little bit of your milk. This helps to not overmix your flour and make your cake too dry. Add half of your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. Pour your batter into a very well-greased bundt pan and pop it into the oven. Now let's make our glaze. Whisk together your powdered sugar, milk, vanilla, and salt. Let the cake cool for 10 minutes, then invert it onto a cooling rack and let cool completely. And voila, you have a perfect bundt cake that you can take to any party. Congrats! Woo!